In this video, I'll show you how to get a private server in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox without spending any Robux. First, open Roblox, search for Steal A Brainrot and open the game page. Once you are on the page, look for the Servers tab and click on it. Now, if you scroll down a little, you will see a section called Other Servers. This is where it gets useful. You will notice a sorting option that says Descending. Click on that and change it to Ascending. Once you do that, the servers will be sorted from the lowest number of players to the highest. This means you will start seeing servers with only one person in them. Go ahead and join any of those servers. If that one player leaves, you will have the entire server to yourself. And if you want to play with friends, just send them the link and have them join the same server. No private server, no Robux, nothing paid. That is how you do it.